So good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Fantastic.
Okay, so as you know that this is Shivangi. I have introduced myself in previous videos. So today I am going to share about my daily routine. So earlier I was going to college, but due to COVID-19 my daily routine has totally changed. Now I have to attend my classes at my home. So first of all I wake up 6 o'clock, but on holidays on Sundays I wake up 10 o'clock and sometimes it's 11 o'clock. But on weekdays I wake up 6 o'clock. After that I get up from my bed 6:05 or 6:10. After that I clean my teeth and take bath. After that I get fresh and I get ready for come to Smartway Institute, and then I take tea and leave my home. And 6:45 I reach here and I open the Dance Institute, and I have to take two batches over there, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. After that 9 o'clock I come in head office and do discussion with Mohit sir about like performance of the students and the syllabus of the students. After that about 9:15 or 9:30 I go to my home and I attend my online classes. And there is a break for 20 minutes and on that time I take my brunch. You can say that brunch, breakfast plus lunch is equals to brunch. So after that I again attend my online classes and 2 o'clock I get free and take some rest. After that I again get fresh and take tea, and 3:45 I reach Smartway Institute and again I take 4 batches over there. And 8 o'clock I get free and come in head office and do some discussion with the staff members. And 8:15 I go to my home and get fresh and take rest. After that I take my dinner and go to bed. After that I use my mobile phone for some time, and about 11 or 11:30 I will rest.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I hope you all are doing great. Here I would like to describe about my daily routine. First and foremost, I get up sharp 5 o'clock in the morning. Then I thank God for giving me such a precious life. After that, I get ready to come to Smartway Institute. I get showered, then I get dressed. At 5:45, I reach Smartway Institute and I attend batch over here 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, and I really enjoy my classes. I try to give my best to the students, and all students likes me very much. So I learn ample of things from here. At 11 o'clock I go back to my home, then I take my breakfast. After taking breakfast I take rest for a while. At 12 o'clock I go for home tuitions. I really enjoy there also because they are my old students. And at 1 o'clock I come back to home. Then I take some food over at my home, and at 1:30 p.m. I go back to Filmed Institute and I edit some video over there. And again at 4 o'clock I come back to Smartway Institute, and again I start taking batches over here. I really teach students with my heart. I take 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. At 8 o'clock I go back to my home and I take rest for a while, and after that I operate mobile for some time. And at 9 o'clock I take my dinner, and while taking dinner I talk to my mom, as my mom is nowadays residing in UP in my village. So while taking dinner I talk to her, and I really like that moment when I talk to her. And at 10 o'clock I go to bed, and before going to bed I think all about the day, whatever I did, and sometimes I like to write that things in my personal notebook. That's it.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to share about my daily routine. I wake up at 4 o'clock early in the morning, and then I pray to God that you have given me a new day. and then I get up 5 o'clock early in the morning. Then I clean my teeth, and then I take a shower, and I wear cloth, and then I get ready go to Smartway Institute, and then I reach Smartway Institute. I learn English there because it's my goal. I want to be an English speaking English teacher. Then I come back to home at 7 o'clock. I take some breakfast, and then I go to job. I work there, and I come back to home at 4:30 o'clock. I spend time with family, and I take a dinner, and I take some rest. I watch the movie or cartoons on YouTube. Then I go to bed. That's all about my daily routine. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Today I am gonna speak about daily routine. Myself Nitish Pandey, I am 25 years. I am a college student. Talking about my daily routine. I get up 5 o'clock in the morning, and I brush my teeth and wash my hand and face, and I pray to God and leave my college. I always reach college in time, and I attend lecture all there. I return home in the afternoon. Then I take some rest, and then I watch TV programs and go out and play for 1 hour. When the sun set, I came home at 9 o'clock. I take some supper, and at 10 o'clock go to the bed. I follow my daily routine strictly. That's all about my daily routine. Have a nice day.
Charming morning to everybody.
Good morning.
My name is Juan. I am from UP, but I am living in Ludhiana, Punjab. I am 22 by age. I am doing English speaking course from Smartway Institute. Today I will discuss about my daily routine, and I will tell you about my daily routine. The whole what I do the whole days. First of all, daily I wake up early in the morning. And I do some exercise for 30 minutes for my body fitness. After that, I get rest, and I get light health. I get light fresh. And first of all, I come to Smartway Institute for attend the batches 7 to 8, and I come back from Smartway at 8 o'clock. After that, I do my homework the whole day. After that, I go to my friends, and I discuss about my study and about my goals. I read books, and I use my phone for some time, and after dinner I use my phone and I watch some motivational videos, and after that I read some books because we can enhance our words and we can become a good listener and good reader by reading these books. And after using and after all work, I go to bed and I sleep. That's all about my daily routine.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine.
Okay. Then today I am talking about my daily routine. My application Rani Kumari Rai. So first of all, I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning. At 6 o'clock get up from my bed, and 6:30 o'clock I go for walk. After morning walk I come. I'm taking bath. After taking bath I worship to the God. I ready for college. Take a breakfast. After going college, I attend my all period. After attending all period, I come back my home. I use my mobile phone. After using mobile phone, I gossip with my friends and family. And at 9 o'clock, I take a dinner. After taking dinner, I stroll with my family. 10 o'clock, I go for sleep.
A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
How are you?
We are fine.
Very good. Today I will discuss my daily routine. My application Ruchi Rai. I'm from Ludhiana. So I talking about daily routine. Every day I get up 6 o'clock in the morning. Then 6:30 o'clock, me and my mother go for morning walk. Then me and my mother come back at home, brush teeth, and I take a bath. After bathing, I pray to God, and sometime I meditate front of God because I feel very good. So after meditation, I take a tea and breakfast. I take a breakfast. After breakfast, I am ready for the office. I am very punctual. I reach office on time. After all work of my office, I come back at home at 7 o'clock on evening. After coming back at home, I nap 30 minutes. I take a feel good. So after napping, me and my father take a dinner. Then taking a dinner, me and my father go for an evening walk. After we are come at home, we discussion and about a further planning and gossip with my all brother and sister. Then after at 11 o'clock, I go to my bed and I slept it. That's my daily routine. Thank you for everything.
My creation is Jyoti Kumari. I am 15 by age. Basically, I hail from Uttar Pradesh but born and brought up in Ludhiana. I am passed out 8th from Other Senior Secondary School and I am grade in 9th class from Baba Ishwar Singh Anaksar Public Senior Secondary School. If I talk about my family is a nuclear family which consists of 3 members. My family is really adorable and sportive. If I talk about my nature, I am humble by nature and down to earth. If I talk about my hobbies is listening to music. If my 2 goals, my short term goal is and long term goal. My short term goal is speak fluent English and my long term goal is renowned doctor. I want to be a renowned doctor. That's it.
Thank you for watching our video. Kindly like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.